Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize HubSpot CRM for sales forecasting dashboards step by step clearly. First, log in to your HubSpot account. Navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the settings icon in the upper right corner and click on it. In the left sidebar, scroll down to find the integrations section. Click on Connected Apps. Select Add App to start the authorization process. Search for the specific CRM software you want to integrate with HubSpot. Once you find it, click on the app to begin the authorization. Follow the prompts to log into the CRM software. You might be asked to grant certain permissions. Review these carefully. Click Authorize to allow HubSpot to access your CRM data. Wait for the integration to complete. Once authorized, return to the integrations page in HubSpot. Look for the option to create or configure a sales forecasting dashboard. Click on Dashboards from the main navigation menu on the left. Select Create Dashboard or choose an existing one to modify. In the dashboard settings, look for data sources or widgets. Choose the relevant CRM data you want to display. Customize the dashboard according to your sales forecasting needs. Save your changes by clicking on Save Dashboard. Review the dashboard to ensure the data is displaying correctly. Make any further adjustments as necessary. Congratulations, you've successfully authorized HubSpot CRM for sales forecasting dashboards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.